Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, today I'm I'm gonna present to you something different, something unique. As we often said in our previous videos, we will feature 161 is to 64, not only cars or vehicles, but also some models like military or anything that is under the sun that is made in the scale of 64. So today, without much ado, this one I'm presenting to you this Corgi, the Tactical Strike. Yes, that's it. It's the only, as it's claimed here, it's the only 1 is to 64 scale modern military diecast collection. So, as you can see on the back of the packaging, the box, so these are the lineup of models they have. So right now we have this, I got this Apache, and this one M1 Abrams. We have also, and also the Bradley we have, and now we have this little bird. Yeah, this little bird, or AH6J little bird, is very familiar with me. I grew up with this, watching the show Airwolf. So there are some uh, what you call this, dog fight with Airwolf with this, the villain sometimes have this this helicopter, this chopper. So this was used in the Operation Desert Storm. This particular one, 2003 Desert Operation, Operation Iraqi Freedom. Okay, it's taking me some effort to unbox it. Okay, so here we are. This we just have to cut some what you call this, tie wraps here and there. Mhm. Still a little bound. Mhm. Okay, now it's free. Yes. See how small it is, but it's cute. Looks like a dragonfly, huh? So it's really detailed. Mhm. And it even has some weathering added to it. Okay, sorry about that. Those mess. Okay. So the body is forced diecast. Oh, sorry. Diecast. The 5 rotor blades. Of course, it also has this tail rotor, rotating tail rotor. It says, and legible script. It says US Army. Can you see it, guys? It says there, United States Army. And these missile pods, missile side pods. They said this, I just read some article on this particular chopper or aircraft. This one is very versatile, and the sides can be mounted with our what you call this, different kind of weapons that is suited for the mission. Sometimes this is also used troop carrier. I think two on each side can ride on a bench mounted on this. Also, sometimes it is used as an air ambulance. Yeah, they've also put what you call this, a stretcher on the sides, on each side. So see, that's the beauty of, oh, why it's not balanced? It's kind of tail heavy. Let's see how it stands. Oh, it's tail heavy. I think it needs some counterweight. I wonder where can we put some counterweight, so because it's tail heavy. This one is tail heavy. So this one comes with its own stand. Let's see the stand. Okay. Okay. So the stand is clear. It's just like hovering. So, okay, what a neat little piece we have here. Very nice. It's like hovering. And of course, it also has this. Most Corgi have this little pamphlet. This one is a poster. Yeah, I also got the whenever I get this tactical strike, those brand new ones that we have, we get a poster. But those one that I got from a second hand, pre-owned, don't have this anymore. So this one is its poster. You can see there. So there's also a history about the what you call this description of the aircraft. So even to the squadron or battalion where it belongs, you can see there, and even the missions. Missions it been through. This is and this one can be framed. Wow, look at that. Wow. I think I'll have this frame, or yes, this one is good to be framed. I will find the frame for it. So you can see the armaments that can be installed with this chopper. Hmm. There's even parts. Oh, there's even machine gun. What's that number? 57. 57. Yeah, it's about 2,000 rounds. 59. It's a General Electric M134 Gatling gun, 7.62 millimeter. Wow, really worth it. Okay, so now we compare it side by side with cars and trucks. So this one I have the Hot Wheels, regular Hot Wheels 64. I got this one because it closely resembles the the actual the real life Viper, and it's in a perfect 64. So side by side with the chopper, you see how small the chopper is, huh? And together with the model human, I think we should get a military guy to go with it. I think this one is better. This one is from American Diorama. Yeah, of course, we have the people to go with it. Hmm. I wish I could. I wish American Diorama create something pilot. Uh, so side by side with the truck, I didn't remove this truck for the purpose of comparing it side by side. So we'll remove this first. That Hapag-Lloyd. Okay. Nice. Look at that. Huh? 64. Really 64 is a wonderful scale. This is something other scale you know cannot do. But in 64 anything is possible. Almost impossible. I think this is how the aircraft really sits. So this one is balanced. This one is balanced. Huh? So this is how the this chopper really sits. Okay. Oh, what do you think, guys? Oh, sorry. What do you think, guys, of this new chopper? We got a close up. One more time. Okay, that's it, guys. And thank you for indulging with me. I'm happy with this little bird. It can go side by side with my Apache.